Do you need to change your mobile number on the HSBC Bank? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work. So to be able to do this on your mobile banking app, well then what you're going to do is to select your profile firstly. There's an icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Select update your personal details and then choose contact details, as you can see. Then select the phone number or email address and follow the instructions. So this is how to do this on your mobile banking app. But if you want to be able to do this on your online banking, so on your computer, then what you're going to do is to also firstly go to your account. From the account service menu, select personal and address details, then select contact details to find the phone number or email address, then select edit to change your details and then follow the instructions. So that is basically exactly how to change your mobile number in the HSBC mobile app or in your PC online banking.